Hey folks, a little warmer today than yesterday. That drizzle moved out of here this morning, leaving us with just a lot of clouds and a few breaks. If you looked up, you might have seen a little bit of blue up there, but not very much. Clouds dominating. These are the current temperatures. Everybody's in the 60s, 60 to 65, the range across the area. Lows tonight back in the 50s again with mostly cloudy skies. Could be some fog late. In fact, there's pretty good chance of some fog. Could be dense in some locations. So keep that in mind first thing in the morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're back in the 70s again, back above average with that southeast wind at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Don't, though, count on seeing a lot of sunshine. I think clouds will still dominate the day, and there's even a slight possibility of a shower tomorrow. You're looking at about 20%. The normal high for this time of year is now going back up. We've bottomed out. It's 71 now. 76 is the forecast for tomorrow. 79 Friday. Saturday 72, and then temperatures will go down late in the day as a cool front ushers much chillier air into the region. Here's a look at the radar today. It's quieted down over the valley. All the rain has moved offshore and continues pushing away as the disturbance responsible for that moisture moving away as we speak. Clouds, though, have been stubborn. I think tonight we're mostly cloudy, patchy fog, especially in the eastern two-thirds of the valley. And during the daytime tomorrow could be a brief splotch of green, could be a brief isolated shower, but I don't think that'll be the flavor of the day at all. I think it's just a mostly cloudy day. Maybe a little sun pokes out from behind the clouds, especially in the western part of the valley during the afternoon. Probably cloud up Thursday night into Friday, and then Friday we end up mostly cloudy again. Still can't rule out a stray shower, but I think for the most part it's another dry day. Then Saturday that front comes in around dawn, and behind it here comes the sun again, but it'll be a windy and at least it'll feel a lot cooler because of the humidity dropping so much. So spotty shower in the lower valley tonight and tomorrow. Still something isolated possible on Friday, but only about a 10%. And then Saturday looks like it should be a dry day after the front. There could be a shower pre-dawn with the front again, but once that front's through, that's probably about it. Moisture moving out, clouds trying to break, but not having much luck. There's just too much moisture here, so as the rain moves away, leave clouds in its wake and watch what happens tonight into tomorrow. That moisture moves away. Still a little splotch of green down here. Front on the map up north doesn't get here, doesn't even make it into Texas, but the next one does, and this one means business. This one pushes south and east, and first thing Saturday morning, it's likely to come through. There will be rain to the north of us. For us, maybe a brief shower, and then it turns windy and cooler, and by Sunday morning, temperatures will be quite chilly. But as we've been talking about yesterday, the push of really cold air doesn't seem to be there, so the threat of a freeze is moving out of the forecast over the weekend and early next week. Cooler, yes, but not that cold. Traveling tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning, 50s from Dallas to San Antonio and Houston. We'll be in the 60s, and by afternoon, about the southern third of the state bounces back into the 70s. So for tonight, 54, cloudy with patchy fog, southeast winds about 4 to 8 miles an hour. Then tomorrow, back up to 76. Again, early morning fog, but then mostly cloudy, southeast winds at about 4 to 12. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast, 76, 79, turning windy and cooler on Saturday, only 64 on Sunday, but we bumped that low all the way up to 46. So yes, cold, but not as cold as we originally thought it might be. Into the 30s on Monday morning, but we've taken that number up as well because this push of cold air, yes, it's chilly, but looks not to be a freezing air mass for us. You look into next week, another front due about Wednesday. That's your updated First 1-5 forecast.